In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar with Evernote Desktop. Bringing your calendar into Evernote lets you prepare meeting notes, capture action items during calls, and find everything later from the event. Start by opening the Evernote Desktop app. Once it's up, look to the lower left corner of the window and click your profile name or avatar to open your account options. From there, choose Settings, then open Preferences. This is where Evernote keeps most of the app-level controls you'll need for integrations. In Preferences, select Calendar, then click Connect Calendar. This tells Evernote you want to link an external calendar account to your workspace. When you're asked where to sign in, pick Google. Evernote will pop up a secure Google sign-in window. Select the Google account you want to use. If you're already signed in, you'll see your accounts listed. Otherwise, enter your credentials and continue. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow so Evernote can read your events and associate notes with them. If you use multiple Google accounts, be sure to select the one that actually holds your meetings. Some work or school accounts may have admin restrictions. If you see an access warning, contact your admin. After you confirm, Evernote finalizes the connection. Depending on your version, you may be able to choose which calendars to show. Select only the ones you need to keep things tidy. Back in Evernote, a calendar panel appears. Click any event to open its details and create or attach a note right from the event card. This keeps agendas, documents, and follow-ups tied to the meeting they belong to. If events don't appear immediately, allow a moment for syncing, then refresh the view or toggle the calendar list. You can revisit settings and preferences at any time to switch calendars, adjust display options, or disconnect and reconnect if needed. You're all set. With Google Calendar connected to Evernote Desktop, your time and your notes now work together so you can plan confidently and stay organized.